Hey beauties, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, today I'm going to come to you. I show you how I get this beautiful hair from black to this nice blonde that you see. So if you want to see how I did it, continue to watch. So first I'm going to go in with some BW2 powder and some 20 volume developer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix a really water paste, not too thick because I'm not bleaching the knots, I'm bleaching the hair. So I'm gonna do it runny, and I'm gonna be doing this process twice to get the color that I got. So I'm just gonna go ahead, section off the hair and work my way from So now I'm gonna, after finish applying the toner, I'm gonna let it sit on the hair for 30 minutes. So as you can see, it turns purple. So that means the toner is working. So the purple agent is actually toning the hair, so it looks great. But I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'm gonna get the color that I want. So I'm just gonna go ahead, use a purple conditioner. I think it's called Rust, it's for blonde hair. And then I'm gonna finish it off with my Tresemme moisture rich conditioner. It's always recommended to use like a moisture rich conditioner so you can bring back some of the moisture back to your hair, because going through all that bleaching process, it can dry out your hair, and you don't want that. You want your hair to have all the volume and bounce that it has. So all you gotta do is let it sit in some moisture rich conditioner for a couple of minutes before rinsing it out. And look how beautiful that color looks. Look at that, it has some highlights and lowlights, you can see it, and I really love it. Look at how beautiful that color looks. It's so luxurious. I really like it. It came out bomb as hell. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some brown to the roots because I want it to have like that nice fade. So I'll be using the Revlon color stay. I'll be placing everything in the description bar below that I use. I won't be showing you how I add the dye to the roots. You'll just see it in the video. But if you want to see how I had like how I transition my roots, then comment down below and I'll definitely show you